Hi guys, welcome back at Template Redesign. In this episode, we are going to learn how to make this really cool landing page with sliding in menu. But when you look closer at the design, you will notice that the main section will shrink when the menu is sliding. This makes the animation really smooth. This video consists of 3 chapters. In the first chapter, you will learn how to make the page layout. In the second chapter, you will learn how to make this design. In the third and final chapter, you will learn the code and JavaScript code for this. So, here we go. Start by opening Elementor and set the page layout to Elementor Canvas. Then the next step is to make the page layout. For this design, we use one main container within which there are 2 separate containers. Always make sure that the link values are turned off and the elements gap of the main container is on 0. Otherwise, you will have an open space. I will now make a screenshot of the page layout with all the values, so you can watch it at your pace. And now, we can start with Chapter 2. We start with importing the background images. The main image we will put here, and you can place all the other images in the remaining containers. The next step is to put the content inside the containers. Make sure the container items are set correctly. It is possible that you need to add some custom padding. If you look at this design, you will notice that the heading, logo, and the button have 2 colors. We did that in the following way. Open the Advanced tab from your heading element, and then open the Custom CSS section. You will put this code over here. Then you go back to the content, and you put the following code inside your content. You need to do that also for the logo and the button. This was the easy part of the design. Now we are going to start with Chapter 3. It is coding time. The first step is to give a name to all the elements that we are going to animate. We call the CSS class of the main section main. The CSS class of the button will be button, and the CSS class of the menu will be menu. The next step is to make the CSS animation code. We will type all the code in the Advanced tab of the main section. You can download all the code from my website, www.template-redesign.com. Or you can download this template and make small adjustments to this design. You can learn that in this video. For the JavaScript code, we need to add in an HTML element. Make sure the HTML is the last element of your page. This prevents an error in Elementor. Then paste the JavaScript code inside the element. Make sure your references to the CSS code are correct. The JavaScript will not work if, for example, there's a difference in capital letters. One thing I forgot is to make a border around the menu, so I'm adding that here as well. And now the design is finished. If you like this design, please like and subscribe. And see you next time.